In this video we're going to be looking at emerging right out of T-junctions. So we're going to be looking at what the procedure is on approach and making sure that things are safe before we actually pull out. So we're going through the mirror signal manoeuvre routine, we get in a good position, we check them to make sure that the roads are safe before we actually emerge. So I'm going to move away now and we're going to get stuck right into this one. So I've got a right turn coming up at the end of the road, and I can see at the moment that there's parked vehicles on my left hand side very close to the junction. I can see there's vehicles coming in, so I'm already checking from behind at the moment, just so I know what's going on around me. Check my left mirror just to come back in for this learner car, and I'm going to be turning right at the end of the road. So rear and right mirrors, I'm about 5 or 6 houses away at the moment, and then I'm going to put a right signal on about 2 houses away, so about now. I've got a good position. The vehicles opposite the junction are going to cause anything which is coming from the left to be in the middle of the road, so I'm going to stop at the junction to make sure that it's safe. So I check left, there's nothing coming from the left. I'm checking right, there's nothing coming from the right. Another quick check just to make sure. As I move away, I'm going to come straight to the left hand side of the road the best I can, check behind, and I'm going to check my right mirror, and then I change the gear. So I'm going to turn right at the end of the road again. So I'm going to just check my mirrors to come around this van, then I'm going to check my left to come back in. So rear, right mirrors, right signal, right position, so I'm right next to the white line. Again, I can't quite see, and there's a vehicle parked on the pavement to my right, which is going to cause anything coming from the left to be in the middle of the road. So I'm just going to wait patiently for a gap in the traffic, and if it's safe, I'm going to come out, and then I'm going to pull myself back over to the left hand side of the road, so left mirror. So I already know what's around me. So I hope this video has helped you understand what a right turn is and what you should be looking for. So you're looking for any vehicles which are parked, which is going to cause you any obstruction. You're looking for vehicles which are coming towards the junction from the left and the right. So you need to make sure that it's safe before you actually exit. So I hope this video has helped you, and don't forget, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.